Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D paper star just like this one here. This is a relatively easy model to make, made up of 5 pieces, and each one is made from a square of paper. In this video I'll be using 5 squares of about 15 by 15 centimeters, around 6 by 6 inches. If your paper has a white side, start with the colored side facing down. Our first step is to fold along the diagonal. So, just bring one corner to the other, make a crease, and then unfold. For the next step, rotate the paper to this position and fold the bottom edges to the center. You can start by folding the right side, and then do the same with the left side. Repeat the same process on the top side. Next, we'll fold the paper to create a guideline in the middle. To do this, fold the top side back, aligning it with the bottom side, and then unfold. Now pay close attention. We'll need to bring this new crease over the top part, just like this. Align the corner with the vertical line in the middle. Then reinforce this part. You don't need to reinforce everything, just the bottom half. And undo. Do the same with the other side. So, just like before, bring the bottom part over, reinforce the bottom half, and undo. After finishing this step, we can unfold the top part. Now, we'll close the bottom side using these two diagonals we made. Just push the paper up like this, closing the top part over it. Reinforce everything. And we have our first piece. Just make the others. And now let's glue them together. We need to put glue on this extra space here on the right. On both front and back side. Then place the next piece on the side. You can do one side at a time if you want, or do both at once like I'm showing. Just do it keeping everything aligned. Repeat the same process with all the other pieces. At the end, the last part is a bit trickier. So to make it easier, first open the last piece a bit and fit the first one inside. If necessary, adjust the pieces a bit. Now we'll glue the front side first. After that, go to the other side, fit the remaining layer inside, and apply glue. Align everything as best as you can, and wait for the glue to dry. Our paper star is ready! Maybe on your first try it won't look perfect, but just practice a few times and it will look amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.